In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a layer. If you're working in a layered image or design, duplicating a layer is a simple way to experiment without affecting your original work. Think of layers like transparent sheets stacked on top of each other. By making a copy, you can try edits, move elements around, or apply effects, all while keeping the source layer intact. First, look to the right side of your screen for the layer palette, sometimes called the layers panel. This is the area that lists every layer in your document, usually with thumbnails, names, and visibility icons. Depending on your workspace layout, it might be docked or collapsed, but it typically sits on the right, showing the order from top to bottom, which is how the image is stacked visually. Next, select the layer you want to duplicate. Click it once in the layer palette to highlight it. You'll know it's selected when it's clearly highlighted or outlined. This step is important because the program will only duplicate the layer you've actively selected, not the entire document. Now right-click directly on that layer in the palette and choose Duplicate Layer. This is a reliable, context-aware option that works even if your focus is on the layer list. In many apps, you may see a small prompt or a default name like Layer Copy, but whether you see a prompt or not, the action is the same. You're creating an exact copy of that selected layer. If you prefer using the main menus, you can do the same thing from the top of the screen. Go to Layer, then choose Duplicate Layer. It performs the identical action, and some people find it easier to remember since it lives in the layer menu with other layer-related commands. Once you duplicate, a copy of the layer will appear above the original in the layer palette. You'll usually see it with a similar name, often with the word copy added. Because it sits above the original, it will be the one you see first in the stack. This placement makes it easy to toggle visibility and compare changes, or to move and transform the duplicate independently. Any edits you apply to this new layer won't alter the original, which is the main advantage of duplicating in a layered workflow. That's all there is to it. Find the layer palette on the right, select your target layer,